the beginning of time, when the world was young and the gods ruled the heavens and the earth, Eris, the goddess of discord, appeared. She was born from darkness, the daughter of Nyx, god of the night, without a father, purely from the void. Eris, with her jet-black hair flowing wildly and her eyes burning with the fire of chaos, walked among the gods with a step that sowed doubt and contradiction. The most famous story about Eris is when she was not invited to the wedding of Peleus and Thetis, which was attended by all the gods except her. Feeling insulted, Eris decided to take revenge in a way that would shake the foundations of Olympus and spread to the human world. With a cynical smile, Eris threw gold that said, "For the most beautiful," into the middle of the party. The three goddesses, Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, immediately claimed the prize, starting a dispute that eventually dragged Paris from Troy as judge in their beauty contest. Paris's choice of Aphrodite and the promise of love from the most beautiful woman in the world, Helen, became the spark that lit the flame of the Trojan War. From that incident, Eris discovered her true power, the ability to generate discord and conflict with just a whisper or small action. He walks the line between humans and gods, fueling the flames of hatred, envy, and division. His family, including Eris, the god of war, often become allies in spreading chaos, although they are not immune from his tricks. However, not all creatures are satisfied with the rule of the gods. Eris, with her sharp wits, saw opportunity in the dissatisfaction. He began to whisper ideas of rebellion and doubt, planting seeds that would grow into trees of unrest. Under his influence, creatures began to question the gods' authority, sparking conflicts that were not only limited to humans, but also spread to other creatures such as titans, nymphs, and even fellow gods. In the labyrinth of chaos she created, Eris found joy. He travels through the ages, witnessing and sometimes directing the storylines of war, revolution, and collapse. From the fall of Troy to the disintegration of great kingdoms, traces of his footsteps can be found behind the scenes of important events in human history and mythology. However, Eris's power is not without limits. Every once in a while, he finds himself faced with a greater force or a situation that even he can't fully control. Unexpected friendship, love, and sacrifice often appear in contrast to the chaos he loves, reminding him that in every darkness, there is always light. The legend of Eris and her exploits lives on, whispering of the dangers of discord and the importance of harmony. Although she is often seen as a bringer of disaster, there are also those who see Eris as a lesson that conflict, while destructive, can also be a catalyst for change and growth. In the modern era, Eris continues to be a symbol of resistance and change, reminding us that chaos is often a precursor to new creation. And although he may be hidden in the shadows, his power and legacy still permeate every dispute and resolution, teaching us about the power and consequences of our actions.